It is rightly said by Kant, a mother is the one who can take place of all others, but whose place no one else can take.
Mother is the epitome of love, teaching us compassion, forgiveness, and fearlessness. From carrying us for 9 months to supporting us endlessly, she is a blessing we are forever grateful for.
A very good morning to our worthy Vice Principal, Ms. Raina Chona, our coordinator, Monica Sharma, and we, the students of class 9B, are going to present our assembly on the auspicious event of Mother's Day. So before we part, let us give a huge round of applause to our best friend, our mentor, our well-wisher, our mother.
So, let us all cherish this beautiful moment. But before embarking on our journey, let us stand and join our hands, close our eyes to seek the blessings of the Almighty.
only about achieving your personal goals, but about empowering and uplifting to others to achieve theirs too.
News helps us to keep updated with our current happenings and provides us with an insight into all the current events at play. I invite Surjit to enlighten us with the international news, national news by Divyansh, sports highlights by Arsh, and weather forecast by Arif.
Today's international news is children pulled out from mud as hundreds lost their life in severe flooding in Afghanistan. Ukraine warns northern front has significantly worsened as Russia claims capture of several villages. Spain socialists hail new era in Catalonia as separatist support dims in elections. Putin replaces Russia's defense minister with a civilian as Ukraine war rage and defense spending spirals. Thank you.
Today's national news is CBSE class 10th and 12th result declared 93% for class 10th and 87% for class 12th. Girls outshined boys once again. Lok Sabha poll phase 4 sees 62% polling. Thank you.
Today's sports news is bad weather delays Gujarat Titans versus Kolkata Knight Riders match at Narendra Modi Stadium. Kylian Mbappe scores at his final home game at PSG as they lose 3-1 against Toulouse. Parvez Khan clinches gold medal in men's 1500 meter event at SEC Championships 2024.
Today's weather forecast is: today the lowest temperature will be 24 degrees Celsius, the highest temperature will be 40 degrees Celsius. The sun rose at 5:29 am and will set at 7:10 pm. The chances of rain are nil. The humidity is 80%. Thank you.
Now, let's weave the threads of emotions together on this Mother's Day, as we invite few of our classmates to showcase a skit portraying a heartfelt bond between a child and their mother.
In a world of chaos, in a world so vast, a bond between a mother and son will always last. Her son is ill, but she knows what to do. Through the long night, she hasn't slept a wink. Her love for her son, no boundary, no brink. She wipes his tears, whispers words so kind. In her loving embrace, he'll surely find. Through the night's darkness, she held her ground. Her love like a fortress always around.
All the times we went out to play, we got hurt and you took care of us night and day. Bandages up to heal our wound, but never made a complaint or a sound. You asked us to rest, but my side you never left. Ignored all your responsibilities, but never doubted my abilities.
माँ का दिल अनमोल है, माँ का दिल सोना है, माँ का दिल ये है, माँ का दिल वो है। अरे छोड़ो भी,
किसने देखा है माँ का दिल? मैंने तो नहीं देखा। हाँ, पर मैंने उसके हाथ जरूर देखे हैं।
वही हाथ जो मेरे लिए कई बार रोटियां पकाते समय जले हैं, वही हाथ जो मेरी उंगलियां थामे बरसों बरसों चले हैं।
वही हाथ जो तकिया बनकर मेरे सरहाने सोते थे, वही हाथ जो मुझे एक थप्पड़ मारकर खुद 10 बार रोते थे।
जरूरी नहीं है माँ के पैर आंसुओं से धोना,
पर जिन हाथों की झुर्री आंखों पर कर्ज है, रोज सोने से पहले वो हाथ चूम कर सोना।
धूप समय की लाख सताए,
धूप समय की लाख सताए, मुझ में हिम्मत बाकी है, मेरा सर ढकने को माँ तेरी चुनरी काफी है, माँ तेरी चुनरी काफी है।
As we celebrate the essence of motherhood this Mother's Day, I now extend the honor of inviting our classmate Varmika to share with us her eloquent words and insightful vision through a speech.
A mother is the heartbeat in the home, and without her, there seems no life.
She is a picture of sacrifices and dedication. She is the picture of sacrifices and dedication. She is the epitome of love, care, support, and is the biggest warrior. She is God's gift to humanity. He gave her a smile like that of the sun, heart of pure gold, and eyes as beautiful as stars. A teacher is also like a mother who nurtures the seeds of knowledge and watches them grow into mighty trees. So not only today, but every day should be celebrated as Mother's Day because they help us in every stage of life.
Music, indeed, has a lot of power over us, whether we realize it or not. So without any further ado, let's invite our choir to bring charm to this auspicious event.
I love my mother, she's the best, she's a role model. But क्या हम उन्हें कभी ये कह भी पाए?
लिखना बहुत आसान बात है, पर बोलना उतना ही मुश्किल। हम तो बस उनकी कमियां ही गिनते रहते हैं।
सच कहा था व्यवर्धन, लिखने और बोलने में फर्क होता है, पर शायद एक दिन हम उन्हें बिना शर्म के यह कह पाएंगे कि उनका प्यार और उनकी मेहनत हमारे लिए कितने मायने रखती है, और फिर वो समझ जाएंगे कि हम उनके बिना अधूरे हैं। हम एक दिन उन्हें खुद कह पाएंगे कि माँ आप मेरे लिए सब कुछ हो और उनके चेहरे पर मुस्कुराहट होगी जो शब्दों में कभी बयान नहीं हो सकती।
Now let's offer a heartful round of applause to the mothers in disguise of teachers. They don't just run our homes, they nurture, inspire and guide us. Like guardian angels, they bless our lives with love and wisdom.
Now, I would like Mahi, Anis, Swastika and Vanya to take an initiative by distributing some tokens of love among all the teachers present behind us.
I request all the teachers to please come up on the stage.
I will invite the Honorable Vice Principal Ma'am to come on the stage.
Why not to start with the class teacher? Yes,
I request all the teachers to come on the stage.
Once again, a huge round of applause, everyone. Welcome. And yes, there are mothers for all of us.
The clapping should not stop.
And a big round of applause, everyone. A big round of applause.
Everyone give it a huge round of applause.
अभी तो यहीं से वहाँ निकल
back by Sana Glenn. Everyone, congratulations, Sana. And now the second position.
The second position is begged by Sham Thakur from class 9B.
The second position is John Thakur from class 9.
The first position is begged by Sukhmani Kaur from class 9B.
Congratulations, everyone, and and now it's time for Tanuri Kaur. Are you here, Tanuri? Congratulations to participating in CBSE Regional Science Exhibition 2023-24. A huge round of applause for all.
Now I invite Gursiran Kaur from class 10. Give it a huge round of applause.
CBSE Regional Science Exhibition 2023-24. We are proud of you, Gursiran. And now
confined to this occasion, but be a guiding light in our daily lives.
I would request all students whose birthday fall this month to come up on the stage. Happy birthday to you all.
My name is Malika and my birthday was on 9th May. My name is Shani and my birthday is on 25th May.
My name is Yuvraj, my birthday falls on 24 May. My name is Kahan Naran and my birthday falls on 25th May. My name is Yukbir and my birthday falls on 10th May. My name is Alicia, my birthday falls on 15th May.
I am Tanvi and my birthday is tomorrow. Now I will invite our worthy Vice Principal, Ms. Ryan.
Good morning, children. What a sad morning. Good morning. Yes, good morning. Yeah. What a lovely morning and what a lovely assembly. Class 9B. Thank you so much for bringing it up so nicely. You have put everybody's heart out. We always appreciate our mothers, but the way you have shown appreciation through your choir, through your skit, through your gestures when you called all the teachers, it was so wonderful. Big round of applause for their class teacher, Dr. Ritu. Thank you, ma'am. And children, you were wonderful. Wonderfully put up assembly. So congratulations to 9B and like everybody, you have done a wonderful job. And I know Mother's Day was on Sunday, last Sunday. So how many of you celebrated Mother's Day with your moms? Oh my God, almost everybody. That's wonderful. So is it just one day affair? Mama, aaj aapka din hai, let's celebrate, I will do cooking for you. Something like this? This is what had happened. Tell me the truth. I want to know the truth. Aaj sach bahar aana chahiye. Yes? Kya tha? Jaldi se? Yes? Stand up. Stand up and say. It is just one day affair? No. Do you do it every day? Yes, you want to say the truth? Okay, please. No? You don't know the cooking, okay? Then how you celebrate it? You purchase something for your mom? Okay. Yes.
But I think we should respect our mother every day and I think that's
Yes, we should respect our moms every day. Yes? What you did? You ordered cake for them. Okay. You gave her some gift also? Yes, wonderful. Yes, Rita? She shopped a lot. Mothers are actually they are females, no? करती है shopping, कोई बात नहीं. Okay. So next time plan something else for her. Okay? Don't take her to the mall. You have understood your lesson. So he has understood his lesson. He will learn cooking this year, so that next year he will cook for the mom. Right? ये better option है बेटा. That is why dads cook in the kitchen most of the times. They do not want to take their wives out. ठीक बोला मैंने यहाँ layers हो गया. ठीक बोला ना? खाना बना लो. अच्छा है सब? नहीं? हाँ, better. चल. Okay. Yes. This side also. Yes. Speak up.
I told my mother that you can buy anything from Zomato or
Okay.
but I will pay from my pocket money.
Pocket money. Wonderful. Big round of applause for all the children who have taken initiative. other people are also there. They want to say, yes?
Ma'am, I called my mother's best friend that lives in Khane and then she came.
Wow, wonderful. She called her mother's best friend. It was a surprise for her?
No, ma'am.
Oh, sorry, it was
Ma'am, I had to take my mom's phone.
Okay. Good. Yeah.
Ma'am, my mother likes a lot of photos, so I had a camera, so I took as many photos I could.
Okay, wonderful. And I could see some pictures of your moms also, class 9B. I think all of you have put up your pictures with your moms. Wonderful. Such a wonderful gesture that you people have shown. Yes, many other people. Yes, Vita.
By cooking, and I have ordered the cake, and I have also made the gift for
Gift
my
for
mom.
your mom. Wonderful. Yes, backbencher. Some people are there. Any one of you just get up and
Ma'am, I
say.
help my mother by doing my chores, and I help my mother to do all of the household work.
Household work. Okay. Like, will you give me some examples? What kind of work you did for your mom?
Washing dishes.
Washing dishes. Very good.
Doing my chores.
Yes, thank you so much. So what you can do, okay, now, one thing that we have just discussed today, like it should not be just one day affair. We should not be saying thank you on one day, okay mom, you are a wonderful mom, but it should be reflected in our actions on daily basis. Okay, when we say on daily basis what our moms are expecting, what your moms are expecting from you, I hope all of you already know, because moms are very vocal about it. The way our teachers are very vocal about it, they share everything what they expect. Okay? See, similarly, your moms also, they share with you. So what you can do, at least you make your own bed, get up on your own, simple things, study on your own. Study on your own. All of you can do that, at least make effort. Senior wing, all the children, when you reach class 6 and onwards, now you should be independent. You should try to finish your work on your own, make your own schedule, and listen to moms when they speak. Okay, you just appreciated all the teachers. Okay, you could see moms in the teachers. So that is why when I am speaking, please observe. Yes, this is very important. Now, when we talk about at home how you should be behaving, at least do your own work. Okay, so no pending work from today onwards. Fine? Agree? Agree? No pending work? Whenever something is missing, immediately you can seek help. You can take help from your mom. But your mom should not be checking your notebooks and finding out what work is missing. That is your job to do. That is your work. Please do your own work. This is what moms are expecting. And this is what teachers are expecting. And it is good that you have brought this up, that because all the teachers are also mothers, and when they are in the classroom, they are there with you. So they are not teachers at that time, they are your moms. Okay? So जैसे आपको mother के साथ behave करना है, वैसा behavior I expect you in the school also. Okay? Fine? Will you do that? Again, very low yes, ma'am. This is important. Okay? Now, I want to share good news with you. Board result is declared. Yesterday board result was declared and our children have done very well. So I will start with the topper. 95.8%. Our topper has got Mishti Kullar. Big round of applause for Mishti. Then best part is we were always targeting at 100 marks. We have got 100 in mathematics. Naitik Goyal has got 100 in mathematics. Artificial intelligence, we have 3 students who have got 100 on 100 in artificial intelligence. Then we have, you should clap for them. You can see result is already put up at the reception area. So the overall result is put up there. It will remain there for around 10 days. You should go and see that what all result children who were studying in your school have brought, and you have to make effort to live up to that, and you have to outshine them. Okay? So that is why I have made these class 10 students sit here when I am talking about the result. So 5 years back when I joined here, at that time our average result, you understand average, was 80%. 80%. When we calculated everybody's result, it was coming 80%. So we have given a target to students and teachers. We have to bring it up, and this year it is 85%, and the target was 85 only. I hope you were there in the You were there during orientation, I think I told about this figure. And congratulations to all the teachers, all the students, everybody in the school. We could achieve that level, 85% average result of the school. Big round of applause for the effort of all the teachers of teachers. But now, the target that is given to you is 87%. Okay? I hope you all understand average का concept in class 6 also. Sonia ma'am, हो जाता है? They understand? Please make it clear to them. Everybody marks taken together and then this is the level that is to be achieved. It is not easy. If I am asking them to increase it by 2%, it's not going to be easy task. So 87% and ultimately we have to take it up to 90%. So next slot जो रहेगा, आपके लिए target is 90%. Okay? Yes. So always remember the figures. That is very important. So are you with me on this? Yes, ma'am. Figure, yes, very good. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, ma'am, for your optimistic and motivational words. Now I request everyone to stand up for the national anthem.